Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen that crude is trading at a level of $76.05. Okay, overall trend you can say that crude is making an opposite U pattern. Look at this particular trend. Okay, and for this particular week we have seen there is a continuous upside. Okay, you can say for this particular day also, week wise also you will see a little upside we have seen, but overall trend is downside. Okay, if we go from July to September, there is a continuous high we have seen. Okay, this is like similar pattern is being created here, what we have seen after pandemic. This first thing. Second thing is that what we have seen after pandemic, that there is a clear pattern forming. Okay, what this clear pattern was saying, that there is a continuous high was forming, and whenever it is hitting its new high, a fall is coming after making a new high. Okay, after the fall comes a swing form, that is where it goes high and then make a new high. This is being repeated for 5 times. Okay, 6th time it would have repeated, but at this particular point what happened, a war situation has come. That is where the price continuously moved down, because there is an imbalance between import and export. Okay, so because of the high demand and supply problem, we have seen the price was continuously moving down, and because of the war situation. Okay, and now after what happened, the price was moving in this zone. Okay, the zone high was at around 93. Okay, it went to a low of around 63 also, and then from there it was moving in this zone for quite some time. Okay, this was the high. If you go after that particular point, this is the level where the from November 22 till August of 23 the price was moving in this zone. It moved out of that particular zone, made a half around $94.57, which is being tested, and after that there is a continuous fall. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglove@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technique will work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Look at this particular trend, a U pattern is forming, after that is a continuous downfall. Okay, and chances are very high that if the price keeps sustaining above that level, we can see it will go towards a level of $77. You have to keep it in mind, because $77 is a strong resistance. So if the price keeps sustaining above that level, a further upside we can see, and it can touch a level of around $79. Okay, so once the price started moving above a level of 79, a further upside we can see towards a level of around $82.79 after crossing a level of $79. Okay, and if started going above a level of 82.79, a further upside we can see, and a probability of touching a level of around 84.52 we can see. After that, a level of around $85. Okay, why I'm telling you this, because you have to understand that as soon the price started sustaining above 77, because 77 is half this zone, as you can see looking at this particular chart, we can see a further upside movement towards 79.32 to a level of 81.75, and then a probability of crossing a level of 84.53 is there. Once the price started moving above a level of $85, a further upside movement we can see, because there is a higher chances. You can see I've already explained you that 68, 77, 85, these levels are very important. So if the price started sustaining 85, probability of going further high we can see, and then touching a level of around $88 to a level of around $90.10 will be there after crossing level of 88. If the price keeps sustaining above that level, a further upside we can see, and then we can see it can cross a level of around $93.59, because this level is already being weak, so chances are high it will cross a level of around $95.39. Okay, this $95.39 is a half this zone. So once started crossing up a level of 95.39, a probability of touching a level of 97.89 is there, and then a further upside movement we can see in the price of crude. Okay, so understand, market is always uncertain. Okay, when the market is uncertain, you have to understand always trying and keeping an SL is important. Okay, it will save your capital. Because see, suppose if a situation comes like war situation, the market can go deep or upside. Okay, depending on the situation where it moves. Okay, and after that what will happen, you can lose your capital if the price, if you have not put your SL. If you are putting your SL, it will save the capital. If you're trailing your SL, you can save the profit. Okay, saving a profit will help you to understand that for a longer view, saving a profit is important, so that you can sustain for a longer period of time, and then you can make a good amount of profit also if you're trailing your SL. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, because market you have to is always uncertain, so you have to remember keeping an upside or downfall, both sides you have to remember, and then trade accordingly. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards its next support of at a level of $74.71. Okay, and if started moving below that level, we can see it can touch a level of around $72.5. If the price started moving below that particular zone, chances of touching a level of around 70.21 is there. Okay, and if it started going below that particular zone, chances of touching a level of $68 we can see. Okay, so once the price started moving below a level of 68, a further fall we can see, and then it can touch a level of around $65.84. Okay, $65.84 is already being a weak support, so chances are high it will move further low towards a level of around $63.34. Okay, and if started going below that particular zone, we can see it will touch a level of around $60.95, and if started going below that particular zone, a further fall we can see. Okay, again I repeat, if the price didn't sustain, a probability of going further down we can see towards a level of 74.87, and then from there to a level of 72.87. if started going below that particular zone, chances of touching a level of 68.28 will be there, and from there a level of around 66.5. if the price going below that particular zone, chances of touching a level of 63.64 we can see, and from there a further fall we can see towards 60.95. and once the price started moving below that particular level, a further downfall we can see. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail ID is also in the description. If you are a beginner also want to learn about it, how the market moves, you can mail me that also, and then we can work out on it, how I'll teach you how to do it. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.